Let's understand the difference between average atomic mass and mass number. These are two important but distinct concepts in chemistry. Let's start with mass number. The mass number is simply the total number of protons plus neutrons in an atom's nucleus. For example, let's look at carbon 12. It has 6 protons and 6 neutrons, giving it a mass number of 12. Carbon 13 has 6 protons and 7 neutrons, giving it a mass number of 13. Now, let's talk about average atomic mass. The average atomic mass is the weighted average of all naturally occurring isotopes of an element. It's calculated by multiplying each isotope's mass by its fractional abundance in nature, then adding all these products together. Let's use carbon as an example. In nature, carbon 12 makes up about 98.9% of all carbon atoms, while carbon 13 makes up about 1.1%. So to find carbon's average atomic mass, we multiply 12 by 0.989 plus 13 times 0.011. This gives us an average atomic mass of about 12.01 atomic mass units. This average atomic mass is what you'll find on the periodic table. For carbon, you'll see the atomic number 6, the symbol C, and the average atomic mass of 12.011. Let's summarize the key differences. Mass number is always a whole number and represents the protons plus neutrons in a specific isotope. Average atomic mass is usually a decimal number because it's a weighted average of all naturally occurring isotopes. While mass number is specific to one type of atom, average atomic mass gives us a more complete picture of how an element exists in nature. Understanding these differences is crucial in chemistry. While mass number helps us identify specific isotopes, average atomic mass helps us understand the natural composition of elements and is more practical for chemical calculations.